Imagine never having to stop at a gas station again. What if your car could power itself using just the sunlight? Stay tuned to find out how solar-powered cars are turning this dream into a reality. Imagine a world where your car charges while you drive. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Welcome back, gearheads and eco-warriors. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of solar-powered cars. From innovative designs to jaw-dropping stats, we'll explore how these vehicles are paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. And hey, drop a comment if you think solar power is the future of transportation. Stay tuned as we uncover the potential of solar energy in revolutionizing the automotive industry. So what exactly is a solar-powered car? Simply put, it's a vehicle that harnesses energy from the sun using solar panels mounted on its surface. These panels convert sunlight into electricity, which powers the car's motor. Imagine driving a car that runs on sunshine. Now that's a ride I'd sign up for. With zero emissions and renewable energy, solar-powered cars are paving the way for a greener future. It's not just about driving, it's about making a positive impact on our planet. Let's get a bit technical, but keep it fun. Solar panels harness the power of the sun to generate electricity. But how exactly do they work? Let's dive in and explore the magic behind these incredible devices. Solar panels are made up of many small units called photovoltaic cells. These cells convert sunlight into electricity. Each cell is made from semiconductor materials, usually silicon, which absorb sunlight and create an electric charge. When sunlight hits these cells, it excites the electrons, creating an electric field. This generates a direct current, DC, known as the photovoltaic effect. This DC is converted into alternating current, AC, by an inverter, powering the car's electric motor. It's like having a mini power plant on your roof. Solar panels can power cars, homes, and even entire communities, making them a brilliant way to harness renewable energy and move towards a more sustainable future. Why should we care about solar-powered cars? For starters, they're eco-friendly, reducing our carbon footprint and reliance on fossil fuels. Plus, they're cost-effective in the long run, as you're literally driving for free once the car is charged. They require less maintenance since they have fewer moving parts compared to traditional vehicles. And the coolest part? They offer a sense of freedom and sustainability, making them a perfect choice for the future. Talk about a win-win-win. Now, let's talk about some of the coolest solar-powered cars out there. These vehicles are not just a glimpse into the future. They are here, now, and making waves in the automotive industry. The Lightyear 1, for instance, boasts a range of up to 725 kilometers on a single charge. This car is a marvel of modern engineering, combining aerodynamics with cutting-edge solar technology. And did you know that Toyota's Prius Prime comes with an optional solar roof? This feature is a game-changer for urban commuters, capturing sunlight even when parked. Solar-powered cars like these are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future. They represent a significant step forward in reducing our carbon footprint. Solar-powered cars aren't just a futuristic concept, they're being tested and used in real-world applications. Companies like Sono Motors are working on integrating solar panels into every possible surface of their vehicles. Imagine a world where parking your car in the sun is a good thing. As technology advances, we can expect even more impressive innovations in the near future. These advancements will not only make solar-powered cars more efficient, but also more accessible to the average consumer. The future of green driving is bright, and solar-powered cars are leading the way. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. Solar-powered cars still face hurdles like limited range and dependency on sunny weather. Not to mention the high initial cost of manufacturing those efficient solar panels. But with ongoing research and development, these challenges are being tackled one by one. So don't write off solar cars just yet. The future of green driving is bright, and solar-powered cars are leading the way. With advancements in technology, we can expect even more efficient and affordable solar cars soon. And now, some fun facts to wrap things up. Did you know that the first solar car was built in 1955? It was a tiny 15-inch vehicle showcased at the General Motors Powerama. Also, the world's longest solar car race, the World Solar Challenge, spans over 3,000 kilometers across the Australian outback. Talk about an ultimate test drive! Solar-powered cars are not just eco-friendly, but also a glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. Imagine a world where every car is powered by the sun. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. We've taken a deep dive into the world of solar-powered cars. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in green technology. Check out our other videos on electric vehicles and innovative car tech. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving green.